Spoken English practice. Let's start. କ'ଣ ଚାଲିଛି? What's going on? What's going on? ଏହା କରିପାରିବ କି? Can you do it? Can you do it? ତୁମେ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିବା ଉଚିତ. You should try. You should try. ଟ୍ରେନ୍ ଲେଟ୍ ଅଛି. The train is late. The train is late. ଚାଲ ବସ୍ରେ ଯିବା. Let's go by bus. Let's go by bus. ମୁଁ ଏବେ ଯାଇପାରିବି ନାହିଁ. I can't go now. I can't go now. ଠିକ୍ ସମୟରେ ଆସ. Come on time. Come on time. ସେ କିଏ ଅଟନ୍ତି? Who is she? Who is she? ତୁମେ ସେଠାରେ ଅଛ କି? Are you there? Are you there? କିଛି ଭୁଲ ଅଛି. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. ଦୟାକରି ଏଠାରେ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରନ୍ତୁ. Please wait here. Please wait here. ତୁମେ ଦେଖିଛ କି? Have you seen? Have you seen? ତୁମେ ତାହା ଜାଣିଛ. You know that. You know that. ସେ ମୋତେ ଦେବେ. He will give me. He will give me. କିଛି ହେବ ନାହିଁ. Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. ସେ ସବୁଦିନ ଦୌଡ଼ନ୍ତି. He runs every day. He runs every day. ମୁଁ ବ୍ୟାୟାମ କରେ. I do exercise. I do exercise. ସେ ବହୁତ ସରଳ. He is very simple. He is very simple. ମୁଁ ଏଠାରେ ଖେଳିପାରିବି କି? Can I play here? Can I play here? ମୁଁ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ତୁମକୁ ଦେବି. I must give you. I must give you. ଏହା ତୁମର ଅଟେ. This is yours. This is yours. ମୋ ସହିତ ଯୁକ୍ତି କର ନାହିଁ. Don't argue with me. Don't argue with me. ତୁମେ ଜାଣିନାହଁ. You don't know. You don't know. ମୋତେ ଫୋନ୍ କର ନାହିଁ. Don't call me. Don't call me. ମୋ ପାଖରେ ସମୟ ନାହିଁ. I don't have time. I don't have time. ସେ କ'ଣ ପସନ୍ଦ କରନ୍ତି? What does he like? What does he like? ମୋତେ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ ଦରକାର. I need help. I need help. ତୁମେ ଥକି ଯାଇଛ କି? Are you tired? Are you tired? ପାଣି ଟିକେ ପିଅ. Drink little water. Drink little water. ସେମାନଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଖେଳ. Play with them. Play with them. ସେଠାରେ କେହି ନାହାନ୍ତି. There is no one. There is no one. କବାଟ ଖୋଲ ନାହିଁ. Don't open the door. Don't open the door. କେହି ଜଣେ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି. Someone is coming. Someone is coming. ତୁମର ଠିକଣା କୁହ. Tell your address. Tell your address. ସେ ଖବରକାଗଜ ପଢ଼ନ୍ତି. He reads newspaper. He reads newspaper. ଏହାକୁ ଭିତରେ ରଖ. Put it inside. Put it inside. କ'ଣ କରିବାକୁ? What to do? What to do? ବୁଝିବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କର. Try to understand. Try to understand. ସେ ବହୁତ ମୋଟା ଅଛନ୍ତି. He is very fat. He is very fat. ସେ ବିଶ୍ୱାସଯୋଗ୍ୟ ଅଟେ. He is reliable. He is reliable. ତାଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଯାଅ. Go with him. Go with him. ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରୁଥାଅ. Keep trying. Keep trying. ମୋତେ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ଦିଅ. Let me see. Let me see. ତାଙ୍କୁ ଏଠାକୁ ଡାକ. Call him here. Call him here. ତୁମର ମନେ ଅଛି କି? Do you remember? Do you remember? ତୁମେ ଯାଇପାର. You may go. You may go. ଯେପରି ତୁମର ଇଚ୍ଛା. As you wish. As you wish. ପରେ ଦେଖା ହେବା. See you later. See you later. ନିଶ୍ଚୟ. କାହିଁକି ନୁହେଁ? Sure. Why not? Sure. Why not? ମୁଁ ଯାଇଅଛି. I have gone. I have gone. ଏହା କିଣ ନାହିଁ. Don't buy this. Don't buy this. Thanks for watching.